Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Snowflake local and long-distance movers near me. Are you relocating between homes? Do you need a moving company to assist you? If yes, 3 Movers is the perfect moving company for you. We are the most affordable and efficient local and long-distance movers in Snowflake, Arizona. Relocating to a new place is not an easy decision to make, and it will tax you financially, mentally, and physically. Hence, you need 3 Movers. We consider your moving requirements, schedule, and budget in mapping out the perfect plan for your move. We also utilize standard trucks and equipment that will help to transport you from your present location to your destination. With us at the helm of your relocation ship, you can be sure of quality services. We are very affordable, and we will always offer you value for your money regardless of the distance. A long-distance move is over 50 miles away from your current location, whether within the same state or outside the state. Such relocations require meticulous and methodical preparations. Some issues with long-distance moves are lateness in the delivery of clients' belongings and potential damage to clients' belongings. We do condone these issues. We will deliver your belongings to you very swiftly. Not only will we deliver quickly, but we will also make sure that your belongings are in the right condition. We do not damage or lose customers' properties. You can trust us with your items. We also make sure to provide security for the transit. To this end, we leverage the relationship we have with the relocation authorities in the country. They will always help should we require their assistance at any time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Snowflake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.